Good afternoon, everybody. Just wanted to talk to you guys about mortgage payment deferrals, which has been talked about heavily on media lately, and just wanted to give you a little advice on that. First of all, communicate with your lenders. Same as with your automobile lenders. Make sure you're communicating if you're having issues with making payments. If you are thinking about doing the deferral, which is also called forbearance, make sure you're reading the fine print on the documents that your mortgage company or your auto lender sends you. A lot of times they're going to give you a 3-month deferment of payment, but it may be due on that 4th month. Like so 3 months from now, instead of having 1 payment due, you have 4 payments due. So there's that option, or the other option is they're going to tack that on to the end of your loan. Which is the better option if you're in this situation and you could just pay extra on your principal as the months come on. But one thing to remember is sometimes they are not leaving it as you've paid the payment. So they're going to report it to the credit bureaus that you're late pay. So you need to make sure you completely understand what you're signing and that they do not have a clause in there where they can put it as a late pay on your credit. We saw this a lot during 2008 when people were doing the deferment, and also during Harvey, and it really affected their credit. If it's affecting your credit, your interest rates are going to be higher when you're trying to borrow money later on, or you may not even qualify for a loan. So that's just something to keep in mind. Same thing with your auto payments. They may also defer your payments, but you may take a hit on your credit. And I know some people are just in a predicament where they have to do this. Just know what you're signing, what you're agreeing to. Make sure you read all the fine print before you sign it, and make sure if you have to have those 4 payments ready to go whenever the 4th month comes up, that you have it there. And if you don't, you need to be communicating with your mortgage companies. The best thing you can do is communicate. The notices are still going to come if you're not communicating. That they may escalate the loan faster. So just make sure you're communicating, and I hope everybody's staying safe. Do your best to do social distance right now. I know we are, even though we're considered essential. I'm trying my best to stay home as much as possible. And anyways, have the best weekend you can. And if you have any questions on this, I can answer what I know or get you to somebody who knows more than I do. But I just wanted to give everybody a few tips on that. And thank you. Bye.